Welcome to the video on curriculum alignment strategies. After watching this video, you will be able to explain what curriculum alignment is, describe the 5 strategies for effective curriculum alignment, and identify best practices for lesson planning. Imagine crafting engaging lessons effortlessly while ensuring they meet your curriculum standards. With AI, this is possible, but only if you align your lesson plan strategically. In this video, you'll explore how to make AI-generated content that is captivating and compliant with your educational goals. Let's dive into the world of curriculum alignment. Curriculum alignment is the process of matching learning objectives, instructional materials, and assessments with established educational standards. When using AI to create content, it's important to make sure it aligns with the learning goals. This means checking that every AI-generated resource, whether it's a lesson plan or an assessment, supports a smooth learning experience and meets your company, district, or national standards. Now, let's look at the strategies for effective curriculum alignment. Firstly, you must define clear learning objectives as outlined in your curriculum. These objectives should serve as the backbone for any AI-generated content. You should explicitly mention these goals when crafting AI prompts. For example, a prompt can be generate a lesson plan for grade 7 science on ecosystems that includes objectives such as understanding food chains and energy flow. The next strategy is to leverage AI for standards mapping. You can use AI tools to map your curriculum standards to relevant content areas. Some advanced AI platforms allow you to input curriculum frameworks, such as Common Core mathematics standards or next-generation science standards, or even link to digital standards repositories. This can help you automatically generate content suggestions that are pre-aligned with the standards you need to cover. The third strategy is to design AI prompts while keeping alignment in mind. When you use tools such as ChatGPT or any education-specific platforms, your focus should be on including details about curriculum standards. For instance, you can write a prompt, create an interactive history lesson on the American Revolution aligned with the Common Core standards for 8th grade that includes key historical events, discussion questions, and formative assessments. You help the AI generate more targeted and compliant content by specifying the standards directly. The fourth strategy is iterative review and refinement. Your AI-generated content is just the beginning. Once you have a draft, carefully review it to ensure it aligns with your curriculum standards. Verify that the content accurately reflects learning objectives to check for consistency. Adapt it to fit your classroom's specific needs while maintaining alignment with the curriculum. Finally, collaborate with colleagues to gather feedback and enhance accuracy. The final strategy is to leverage data-driven insights. You must incorporate performance data to enhance curriculum alignment. If assessments reveal learning gaps, use AI to create targeted supplemental materials. This ongoing feedback loop ensures continuous improvement and refinement. Let's look at an example with the best practices to follow. Suppose you're using AI to design a high school biology lesson on cellular respiration. Start by identifying the relevant curriculum objectives. Then, create a detailed AI prompt specifying the standards, interactive activities, and assessments needed. For example, generate a detailed lesson plan for high school biology on cellular respiration. The lesson should meet. Here you can mention the specific curriculum standard, include interactive activities, formative assessments, and cater to multiple learning styles. Once you receive the generated content, review it to ensure that all key concepts are covered. You should also consider making any necessary adjustments to align it more closely with your curriculum. In this video, you learned that curriculum alignment is the process of matching learning objectives, instructional materials, and assessments with established educational standards. Strategies for effective curriculum alignment include defining clear learning objectives, leveraging AI for standards mapping, designing AI prompts with alignment in mind, iterative review and refinement, and using data-driven insights. While planning your lessons with AI, you must follow 3 steps. Step 1 is to identify curriculum objectives. Step 2 is where you craft a detailed prompt. And Step 3 is to review the output.